Hey there, Webb's Reserve fans. Roberto Lee here at Webb's Reserve, and today we are looking at this executive home by Lennar. It's the Calusa floor plan, over 2,200 square foot. This is lot number 7017. Obviously, it's under construction and a home that's going to be completed probably sometime around March of 25, but this is ready for you now to go ahead and reserve. So when you come into the Calusa, it's also known as the Maria floor plan in other communities. You've got a guest bedroom right up there, guest bath is right there, and then this would become either your fourth bedroom or utilize it as a den. Right here, there's going to be some pocket doors that close this off. So that's a nice den space, or use it as your fourth bedroom. And then right down this hallway here, right here, this would be your laundry space. So imagine your washer and dryer right here leading out to your garage straight there. And then you've got your third bedroom space right here. And this one ties in to a full bath. So that's where your sink, your commode, and your shower is going to go right over here. So this bedroom here has its own ensuite setup. And then it opens up real nicely into your great room and kitchen area. So you can kind of see right here where your kitchen island is going to be. Right in this area, that's your pantry here. Then you've got all your cabinetry and components for your kitchen right along the wall there. This area kind of right here in front of this window, this would be your dining space. And then right here, this is really going to be your TV room. Imagine your big screen TV right here sitting down enjoying the day. And then you have your master bedroom back here. Your master does have access out into your lanai space there, as you can tell. And you got a nice setup here with two closets. You've got this closet here, and then this one more your traditional walk-in style closet. And then this would be your master bath, and your sinks would be right here. This would be your enclosed water closet right here. That's where your toilet would be. You've got a linen closet here, and then that's going to be your shower right in this space here. Now, last but not least, on this particular home are the views. So out of the back of this home, you're going to have a pool and spa right here upon completion, and then you have the lake directly behind it, as well as a golf course view. All right, folks, so this home is available. It's going to be ready next spring. If you're interested, contact us at all of the information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.